Hey guys, this is Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Wednesday, March 21st, 2018. As you can see, I'm in the high tunnel today, just doing a little walk around. The cucumbers are actually growing really well. Got a lot of little flowers, a lot of little cucumbers on it. So with that good growth also comes another step in the process, and that's pruning. Just like tomatoes, a lot of people are familiar with tomatoes, and there's the suckers that grow in the tomatoes. Cucumbers have the exact same thing, and to keep that vine straight and not having any more of those suckers come off of the cucumber vine, you really have to prune them. So I'm going to take you down here, show you what it looks like, show you what you need to pull off, and help y'all learn something. Thanks. Alright guys, as you see here, I got my little cucumber plant. I'm trying to pull it to the side, so just give y'all a better view. But you got the main stalk coming off of the ground. You got right there, that first node, right there where that clip is. You got a leaf, you got a cucumber or flower, and you got the little tendril that'll use to kind of grab on. But then you also have, right there in the middle, you see that other part of the plant. It looks like another cucumber plant growing right up the middle there. That's going to take a lot of resources and nutrients away from your cucumber. You kind of want to keep it going through the main stalk. So what you're going to do is just grab that, and you can cut it off if they get too big, but I think I can just pull it off. Let me go ahead and grab it. Or you can use your finger. So right at the base, just pinching it off. And that's it. So yeah, it looks like you're losing a cucumber and a plant, but it's going to help in the long run to make this main plant grow well. If you go one up again, we got the same thing happening. You got the cucumber, you got the tendril, you got the one main leaf, and then you got another plant growing off of it. So I'm going to go ahead and rip that off as well. Careful not to disturb anything else. And see, yep, another cucumber plant trying to grow on your main plant. But you essentially have to go through the whole plant here and do this. That's going to grow like that everywhere. So I got another 20 plants or so to grow through and grab all of these off of here at each one of these intersections. Real quick and easy, but it's something that's going to really help the plant continue to grow really strong and hardy, and continue to produce cucumbers for you throughout the season. All right guys, thanks for following. Hope it helps. Later.